It's okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So good afternoon, everybody. My name is Slavomira Vargová. I'm originally from Slovakia, but for almost 8 years I live and work in Czech Republic. I'm from Tomáš Baťa University in Zlín, but from Faculty of Logistics and Crisis Management based in Uherské Hradiště. And my presentation will be about the approaches to risk analysis using quality tools, how we can and we make risk analysis in practice with our students also. We are using quality tools to so many levels and areas of interest. So something little about me, because everyone was presented something about himself. So as I said, I'm a senior lecturer on the Faculty of Logistics and Crisis Management, and our faculty has 4 departments. One is the Department of Logistics, second Crisis Management, Department of Environmental Security, and Department of Population Protection. So as you can see, our basic topics are security services, transport services, also economics, and environmental security. So for us it's very important, the first one, and this is our alpha omega, this is risks. Can we talk about the risk in so many different languages and so many different definitions or terms? But I like the most the last one is combination probability and damage. But we already know that we have so many different terms or definitions. I like the probability and consequences of a dangerous event, and we think, or we must think about so many consequences or so many type of consequences. Regard to standard ISO 31010, we have 4 basic categories: occupational consequences, individual consequences, also social consequences, and property damage and economic losses. And also the last one, but very important, is environmental consequences. So you can see here is no quality mentioned, but I think the quality is something that is also in the occupational consequences, also in the social consequences as well, and also in economic losses. So it's something interdisciplinary. I think that risk-based thinking, or RBT approach, we know everyone, so we use it, I think, every day in our lives. So also the ISO organization integrated to this approach to the ISO standard in 2015, and we cannot say that before this integration wasn't thinking about risks. But the revision builds to it the whole management system, and this is also the reason why was risk management standard changed from the older to the newest. As can you see, some differences between the old and new version. The most important is this phase. This is new phase called recording and reporting. This is something what is very important to integration to some or the other management systems, and also think about the PDCA cycle as well. Some information about the standard. However, it's not a certification standard. He is very useful for the management systems, and he respects the SMART principle of the goals of the organization. We can say it's a comprehensive, holistic view of the functioning of the organization. Benefits from the standard ISO 31000-2018. This standard defines general risk management terms, principles, and elements of the structure, and is able to use or to integrate this risk management into ISO management systems. It's a very important thing. Risk in quality, we can say that today is implicitly saying that risk is an integral part of all aspects of quality management system, and we should consider risk, all of risk in our quality, our processes and systems, etc. We should think about the risk not only in negative consequences or negative thinking, negative ideas, but also in positive, in quality. We can say about, we can talk about the opportunity to make something better. As you can see, today we are using so many different tools and techniques. In quality, you can see the 7 basic quality control tools, also the 7 management tools, and other tools and techniques they are using, also in the quality and also in the other topics, other areas, and we will see what kind of techniques we are using in the, for example, in the area of safety or security. Also, here is mentioned about the PDCA cycle and the 7 quality tools in this PDCA, which phase can use which tool or which technique. And here is something new about how you can use the quality tools in risk management, in each phase of risk management, each stage of management of risks. Basic quality tools they can use as histogram, Ishikawa diagram, Pareto diagram, flow chart or arrow diagram, etc. We have also, I can say, the sister of standard ISO 31000 2018. We have ISO 31010 2018. It is standard about the techniques and methods for risk assessment, and this standard describes so many different methods and techniques that can be used to risk management and also to use to the quality system. For example, you can see so many different methods that you can use in this last one in the whole process of risk management. And now you will see practical demonstrations of risk analysis using quality tools. They are the outputs of the most outputs of bachelor and master thesis in our university, our faculty. So many different areas. For example, this is the Ishikawa diagram in food production. So the students was taught about how which causes can lead to the wrong food or the wrong source of food. This is the first one. Then we have something interesting. This is risk analysis in service kinology. So can I say the security dogs? So Ishikawa diagram, you can use this diagram also to this area. You can see, I think I must don't talk about the some Ishikawa diagram as tool or technique. We are using so many different M groups. They can describe the causes of the potential damage. This was the combination of methods. This risk analysis for the painting of awnings. The first one was Ishikawa diagram, then was prepared some Pareto analysis or Pareto diagram, and then some failure and mode effect analysis, as you can see in some production of this product. Also, FMA is using in the headlight production. This is the Varg lighting systems in Czech Republic. So this was the situation or the process of testing and data reporting. So you can see some testing areas, and then using the 5Y to how template, and then was made some FMA analysis. This was almost 2 years before, so it's a little bit old, but for example, it's good to see. This is the headlight production. This is I think maybe 5 years old. This is also the FMA analysis for this company. Risk analysis of the production of rubber carbon black. So we made some risk analysis also in the tough, can I say, industry or hard industry. You can see the flow chart, and then the older FMA analysis that can be used. Also, risk analysis for material handling. This was something with logistics, different area was student made some Pareto analysis, and then this information analyzed via FMA analysis. This is something what is the newest, can I say. This is process continuity risk analysis for manufacturing cell 4.0. So Ishikawa analysis that see about the operation of robots wasn't success. So which causes can lead to this damage or this consequence. And then you can see the newest version of FMA according to IAC and VDA. So this is the newest version. And the last one is the cart, can I say, the wheels for car. And also this wheels car tire, this is the Kordarna Plus. This is the Czech organization that made car tire fabric. And you can see also the newest analysis that I think the last year before made my students for this organization also. So this is only the example for the using of FMA. You can see, you can think about the other methods, but this is the so complex method. So we are using FMA analysis